is Melody, and this is my little brother Milan. Say hi, Milan.
Hi!
As you can see here, we are big fans of LOL Surprise. And happy 4th of July. Well, I like to personally call it Happy 4th of BB July. Anyways, today I'm gonna unbox the Ooh La La Baby Surprise. Let's get right to it. First, I'm gonna take off this cap. And as you can see, I have this cute LOL Surprise kitty bag. And what's this? Little kitty queen. Let's check out the rest. Ooh, some nice sunglasses. Ooh la la. And you can also, okay, and you can also put it on her. Oh, but it's a little too big. Okay, and what's this? Ooh, it's a beautiful LOL Surprise pacifier necklace. And let's see if it can fit on her. Uh-oh. Well, it can also be used as lip gloss, but turn it, find the hole, and ta-da! You have this little thing. Remember, do not throw this thing away because just look, turn, and kind of spin it into your LOL Surprise doll, and then ta-da! You have her pacifier. Okay, and this is a cracked phone. Well, since LOL Surprise babies are not too careful with their phones, it got cracked, but Milan, look what his is. Some nice makeup.
Yeah.
Pro tip, do not use the makeup for your cheeks. It's used for or your eyes because it's used for some highlighter.
Wait, is this really you spoken?
No.
Oh.
See?
Makeup? You have makeup on you.
I know. Okay, and this is the cutest bottle ever. It's a beautiful LOL Surprise snow globe bottle. Turn it to find a beautiful snow globe. And here's little kitty queen's tag. It shows all of her accessories and her limited edition tag. See, the star means limited edition. And that's it for you all. When you need to go on the go, just simply pack it all in. It's that simple. Okay, and now I have a little surprise for you all. I'm also gonna be unboxing this. Let's get a hair curler for both of us, Milan. Here's one hot pink for you. There we go. And now we're gonna start to unbox. Does this look like a real hair curler to you? Well, it's because it is. It's part of the makeup series, and simply do your hair in and then clip it in to get some beautiful curls. I already have some natural curls, but I might use it later. Okay, so let's start unboxing. You can unbox yours first.
Well, who have you got?
Okay, Milan has gotten this cute little, I think it's named mini, I think it's Trilla's pet. And it's so cute because it comes in this little bag. It's so adorable.
And
look at the glasses!
Yeah.
I mean, that's cute thing ever. Let's just try it on the LOL Surprise doll. Sapes is being our honorary guest to try. Oh no, her hair is way too big. Okay, let's try Kansas Kitty. Okay, ta-da! that's how it looks. If you wanted to see. Okay, now it's my turn. Oh, I got something. Okay, look at these adorable, most cute high heels ever. Oh my goodness, who is this? She's the cutest LOL surprise baby ever. I mean, I love her. And look at her cute bag. I mean, I want this kind of bag. Okay, let's just put these toys back up and would subscribe or like if you guys would like some more unboxing for the makeover series. Let me help you. Thank you. Oh, that's wrong side. And to keep it locked in, we just add this. Yes, yeah. You're right. Okay. Now, since I was a little too sore for you guys, I'm gonna be unboxing Blacklight LOL Surprise, Blacklight Surprise. Cute. Okay, this is my little pony, which she comes in fur, but I removed hers before the video started. And fun fact, she is actually a rare. So be on the lookout for this cute BB pet. I love her sparkly hair and her clips. I mean, that makes her a real queen. And what is the flashlight doing there? Well, Milan, would you do the honors for her legs?
Yeah.
Let's look for the leg surprise. Okay, let's see. Ooh, look! Look, guys. There's one music note on her leg.
Yeah.
And let's check her back. Nope. Let's try this one. Nope. Well, that is so cute. And let me show you guys her water bottle. It's so sparkly and blue and cute. What's your favorite color?
Blue.
And what's your favorite
Glitter.
thing? Yes. Do you like glitter?
Yeah. And I like all type of color glitter.
Yeah, me too. I mean, you can never have too much glitter, of course. And Milan, what do you like about this doll?
I like about the style of everything on it.
Wait, what?
I like about the style of everything on it.
Oh, you like everything on it?
Yeah.
Okay. And her ball comes in black. By the way, since even though that this is actually a rare, her ball doesn't come in gold like in the original series. And you guys might be wondering, what is this thing that we're over here? Well, it's actually a LOL Surprise Winter Disco Snowman. Anybody comment below or subscribe or like to get this unboxed in the next video. Or if you guys really want a good surprise, let me show you something. Subscribe or like to get this LOL Surprise bigger surprise. I mean, best surprise ever. Ultimate unboxing. Unboxing experience too.
Play together with Tiffy. We used to.
I know, but it's too cool to be true, right?
Yeah.
Or if you guys want to see the first ever LOL Surprise vehicle, comment down below or subscribe to get LOL Surprise 2-in-1 Glamper. The best thing ever. Okay. And we'll unbox one more thing before we leave. We'll unbox this. Would you want to do it, Milan?
Yeah.
Why do you think it's blue?
Because
It's an LOL Surprise boy.
yeah.
Come on, let's open it. Oh, whoa, you got Sunny. He's the brother to Dawn from the Confetti series. Look how cute he is, but not as cute as you. Here's his water bottle he comes in, and his pacifier. I love his checkered boots. How about you?
Me too.
Me too. And he can even eat his food here or lounge, either one. Okay, guys, that's it for now. See you later, and hope you guys collect some of these too. Bye.